Hi everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss about open circuited and short circuited impedance of a lossless transmission line. So for a lossless transmission line, the length of the transmission line is L, and what is the condition of the lossless transmission line? For a lossless transmission line, there is no attenuation constant. So we know that the propagation constant is a complex quantity, that is P is equal to alpha plus j beta. In lossless transmission line, there is no attenuation constant, alpha is equal to 0, then the propagation constant P is equal to j beta. And substitute P is equal to j beta in P is equal to j beta value into the basic voltage and current expressions of basic transmission line. The basic transmission line voltage and current expressions. What are the basic current and voltage equations of basic transmission line expressions? Voltage V is equal Vs cos HPL minus Is Z naught sin HPL, and current I is equal Is cos HPL minus Vs by Z naught sin HPL. These two are the voltage and current expressions of basic transmission line expressions. So that equations already derived in previous classes. Okay, now here we want to calculate open circuited and short circuited impedance of a lossless transmission line using that basic expressions. And length of the transmission line is L. At x is equal to L, the voltage is VR and the current is IR. And substitute applying this condition to basic transmission line expressions, we get VR is equal Vs cos HPL minus Is Z naught sin HPL. IR is equal Is cos HPL minus Vs by Z naught sin HPL. Okay. And after that applying lossless transmission line condition. For a lossless transmission line, there is no attenuation constant. Alpha is equal to J and propagation constant P is equal to J beta. Applying this condition into above voltage and current expressions, we get VR is equal to Vs cos J beta L minus Is Z naught sin J beta L, and IR is equal okay. But we know that cos h j beta L is equal cos beta L and sin h j beta L is equal j sin beta L. Applying these conditions into above expression, VR is equal Vs cos beta L minus j Is Z naught sin beta L. And the current substitute P is equal j beta into above current expressions, we get IR is equal Is cos HPL minus Vs by j Vs by Z naught sin HPL. P is equal to j beta. P is equal to j beta. We know that cos h j beta L is equal to cos beta L, sin h j beta L is equal to j sin beta L. Applying these conditions into this equation, we get IR is equal Is cos beta L minus j Vs by Z naught sin beta L. Now here in this class, we want to calculate open circuited impedance and short circuited impedance of a lossless transmission line. So these two are the voltage and current expressions at the at the end of the transmission line, voltage and current expressions for a lossless transmission line. So first calculate open circuited impedance of a lossless transmission line. End of the transmission line is open circuited. There is no current flows through the circuit. IR is equal to 0. Applying this condition in this equation, so we get IR is equal to 0. That is equal to Is cos beta L minus j Vs by Z naught sin beta L. And reducing this expression, we get Z OC is equal to minus j Z naught cot beta L. So this is the open circuited impedance of a lossless transmission line. Next calculate short circuited impedance of lossless transmission line. End of the transmission line is short circuited. Across voltage across the short circuited transmission line is 0. Substitute VR is equal to 0 into above expression. Above expression means in this expression. In this expression, substitute VR is equal to 0. We get short circuited impedance of a lossless transmission line. So that is a short circuited transmission line. ZSC is equal to JZ naught tan beta L. And the open circuited impedance is considered as equation 1 and short circuited impedance expression is considered as equation 2. So these two equations are open circuited and short circuited transmission line or lossless transmission line. So the above two equations mean that is open circuited input impedance and short circuited input impedance are lossless transmission line expression. The two equations are purely reactance. Pure reactance. The impedance is equal impedance Z is equal to R plus jx, where imaginary part is the reactance. So equation 1 and equation 2 are the input impedance of a open circuited and short circuited transmission line that are pure reactance values. Pure reactance values. So the value of reactance can be changed. Value of reactance can be changed by changing the electrical length parameters. That is beta L. By changing the electrical length beta L, the value of the reactance can be varied. So now here in this waveform, the dashed lines indicates open circuited transmission line and normal curve represents short circuited transmission line. And x-axis is the length of the transmission line. That length of the transmission line is beta L or L, and y-axis is open circuited impedance or short circuited impedance. So this is the graphical representation of open circuited impedance versus electrical length or transmission length, and short circuited impedance versus electrical parameter L. The reactance of equation 1. So equation 1 is the input impedance of a open circuited transmission line. In that equation, when the value of chord beta L is negative, then the open circuited impedance is inductive. When chord beta L is positive, when open circuited impedance is capacitive. And similarly, from equation 2, what is equation 2? The short circuited impedance ZS is equal to JZ0 tan beta L. In that equation, when the value of tan beta L is positive, then the input impedance is inductive, and when tan beta L is negative, when the input impedance ZS is capacitive. So the variation of the input impedance as a function of the parameter beta L. So which is shown in figure. So in that figure, dashed lines represents open circuited transmission line with transmission line parameter beta L or L, and normal curve represents variation of the short circuited impedance with transmission line parameter L. So in that figure, above the horizontal line will have the value of open circuited impedance and short circuited impedance will have positive reactance, that is inductive, and below the horizontal line will have the value of open circuited impedance and short circuited impedance, and will have the negative reactance, that is capacitive. So open circuited and short circuited transmission lines also behaves like a resonant circuit. So that happens when the length of the transmission line is integer multiples of lambda by 4. So therefore beta L is equal to n into lambda by 4. So what is the equation of the open circuited transmission line for a lossless transmission line? ZOC is equal JZ0 tan JZ0 cot beta L. Beta is the phase shift constant. The phase shift constant beta is equal to 2 pi by lambda L cot beta L. L is the length of the transmission line. So L is equal to beta L or L is equal to n lambda by 4. N is equal to 1 lambda by 4. So cot of lambda is cancelled pi by 2. Cot pi by 2 is 0. So therefore open circuited impedance is equal to 0. So similarly for the short circuited transmission line, what is the short circuited transmission line? JZ0 tan beta L. Beta is equal to 2 pi by lambda and length is lambda by 4 and n is equal to 1. So we get short circuited impedance is infinite. It means that open circuited lossless transmission presents zero impedance at the source side, and short circuited impedance is infinity at the source